This video walks you through the steps involved in configuring the tax rates master data template in the property tax module. Taxes are calculated based on the type of property and differ for each type. For example, a residential property could have a different rate than a non-residential property, which could differ from year to year. The tax could be a general property tax or a new type of tax introduced. Download the data template to configure the tax rates master's data. As we can see here, the template contains 4 data columns. Enter the tax head, effective from FY, and tax percentage details. Update the information for each column. Columns marked with a star are mandatory. Make sure all the mandatory columns are updated in the template. To know specific requirements of the individual column, please refer to the data definition table for tax rates detail. After filling the data into the template, refer to the checklist to ensure the data accuracy and data entry requirements are met. For any query or assistance, please feel free to reach out to our team. We hope this video has helped you understand the configuration of tax rates details. Thank you.